Hello, my name is Mahesh Ramchandani and I am a cardiac surgeon at the Houston Methodist DeBakey Heart and Vascular Center. And I'd like to invite you to the next ReEvolution Summit, which will be held on the 25th and 26th of January 2024. This conference focuses on minimally invasive cardiac surgery and transcatheter techniques. It is now widely regarded as one of the best conferences in the world for offering a hands-on experience to the attendees. We have a state-of-the-art lab and a world-class faculty. You'll be guided step by step through minimal invasive, endoscopic, robotic, and transcatheter techniques for the treatment of coronary artery disease and mitral, aortic, and tricuspid valve pathologies. This year, the ReEvolution Summit will be held over 2 days immediately before the STS conference in San Antonio, Texas. We hope that you will be able to come to the ReEvolution Summit on your way to the STS conference. This is a great educational opportunity for anyone who is interested in minimally invasive cardiac surgery. We especially encourage residents and fellows in training to attend. Please subscribe to the DeBakey Education channel on YouTube to learn and earn credits from anywhere in the world. I hope to see you at the ReEvolution Summit on January 25th and 26th next year.